Good evening, one and all. Today, I am going to tell about my favorite sport, billiards and snooker. First of all, I introduce my coach, Ram Mohanju. Now, I am going to tell about snooker. Total 22 balls, 15 red ball, 6 color ball, yellow, green, brown, blue, pink, black. Now, I'll start the game. Now I am playing red ball. Now Sir is playing red ball in screwback shot. I think so. Yeah, it's correct. What an amazing shot. Wow. Yeah. Sir taken position to green. Again Sir is playing screwback shot to green ball. Screwback means the ball will come return to us in straight to straight angle. I will also play this shot. Now I'll pass the red ball and trying to take the position to black. Now I will try to pot black. Snooker means 15 red ball, 6 color ball and 1 white ball. Now in this same table we are going to play billiards. Now billiards. In billiards we have only 3 balls. One is our ball, another one is opponent ball, red is common ball. I'll place the red in black spot, opponent ball in blue spot. These are the placements. This shot name is enough. We want to touch our opponent ball and we want to pot our ball. Wow, Sir played the same shot. It's an amazing shot. Sir played a cannon shot. In another table, they are my friends. They are playing snooker. I think Sir is doing enough. Yeah. Wow. Sir is an excellent player in billiards. Snooker, that is only for potting, but billiards, 3 types of shot. Cannon, enough, potting. Thank you. Thank you, sir.